originally I was planning on making a video introducing you guys to all of my animals today, but things kind of went bad. So today we're focusing on this cat right here. This is Nellie. She's 17 years old. And yesterday she was sitting in one spot for a really long time and then wanted out. My dad let her out and then looked back at the spot that she was sitting, and there was a puddle of blood. So I immediately started calling the vets around me. No one was open at the time. So when she came back in, I checked all over her body just to make sure it wasn't a scratch or something. But she had nothing on her. In fact, she just did what she's doing right now, which is purring really loud. So I'm hoping it's nothing really serious. I'm hoping it's just something like a urinary tract infection or something like that. But it does worry me a lot since she's so old, and that is really scary. So we're taking her to the vet today at about 8:30. I think it's about 7:40 right now. Where do you go? There you are. So I'll take more footage of that when we get there and stuff, and let you know what's going on. We just got back from the vet. They found an infection in her gums, so they gave her some antibiotics for that. So that should be fine. But they don't think that's where the blood came from, so they're gonna run a few more tests, do some blood work, take x-rays and stuff. So they kept her there, and we're gonna pick her up in about an hour. They said they'll call, so I'm just waiting on that. Hopefully everything will be okay. Okay, so we took Nellie home, and we're back now from the vet. They showed us the x-rays, and there were these 4 small white dots in the bladder area. They said those were small stones. And then they took another x-ray just focusing on that area, and they didn't show up in that. So they sent out a urine sample to be tested and said that if that's all that it is, if it's just those small stones, they should be able to pass pretty easy because they're so tiny. But they sent the sample just in case, and they gave us some food that will help her pass those stones. And they told us not to give it to her until we get the results back tomorrow. Hopefully everything works out, and that's all it is. I'm hoping it's nothing worse. So, I don't know if, I don't know if I'm gonna add on to this video or if I'm just gonna do an update video next week, because I'm gonna be at my Nana's for most of this week, and I'm not gonna be able to really be here and talk about Nellie until Monday. Maybe? I don't even know. I start school again next week, so there's that. So hopefully everything works out. If I add on to this video tomorrow while I'm at my Nana's, then I will obviously have a different background and stuff. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully things work out. I'm still pretty worried. I'm probably still gonna be worried until tomorrow, until we find out. So hopefully everything is okay. So for now, goodbye. Alright, so I'm at my Nana's right now. I talked to my dad earlier, and he said the vet hasn't called yet. So we still don't know really what's going on. We probably won't know until tomorrow or a few days or so. So when we find out, I'll do an update video. So I'll talk to you guys then, I guess. So I don't know how to do an outro. Oh no. Bye, I guess.